Welcome back to High Speed Mining. On today's video, we're gonna continue with our 3D printers. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna work with my own Ender3, and what we're gonna do with that is we're gonna start the tension, new tensions I just got on that one, and also I'm gonna do some more upgrade as we going. And guys, I will see you. Hey guys, so we are back. Sorry, I moved the camera. We are back, and what we're gonna do with this guy over here is we're gonna go and we're gonna replace these things right here, and we're gonna replace those right there. That's the little improvement I'm gonna do because I'm just gonna need something to tie the thing on. Sometimes this get loose, and sometimes also this one, and I gotta keep just pushing it back and forth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get for tools. See this one. This is the one we're gonna use. I really don't need that one. They come with the tool already. Let's open the package on this one. Okay, so you can see it. This is the one we're gonna use. And could have 3D printed them, but I'd rather have it on metal because I like it the metal ones. So this is one of the thing, and that one's gonna go right there. Okay. All right, so look like it. This one is not gonna go with that. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna remove this. We got this one out. So let's see if this is the same as this one. I'm gonna use the original one. The printer, the one that came with the print is better quality. So very simple. We tighten them a little bit. And simple and that. Got these ones. Now gonna go over here. Gonna remove this one from right there, and we're gonna pass this to this right here. Then gonna intro these guards over here. Okay. So this is more rigid, and okay. All right. And this one's up over there, and we got this right there. Number one already done. Now the good part with this is, sorry guys. Okay, so it'll be easy for me now to put them right here. Alright, so I gotta go behind the printer and doing this. Give me 1 second. Alright, so now we just got attention and that's it. Alright, so we're done with that one. That one was super easy to do it. Alright, so Then we got this one. This is the other one. You can see it. It's got the tension stuff right there. So we're going with this one. I didn't need that one, so I'm gonna put this on the side. I don't think I need any. And what we're gonna use is this one. Okay. Okay. Let's give me some trouble. So okay. All right, so I still need some cleaning. That's it. All right, so let's see. Okay. That's it. Okay, so we got everything out. So we need. Then we take this out. Kind of real difficult. So this is the one we got. I may gonna use this one for something I want to use later on. Yeah. Yep, I probably can use this too. I got some projects coming on for this printer too. Then need to figure out how we're gonna put that one right there this time. Okay, we are removing it. The screw. Okay. Windows over there. And I'm gonna install these ones real quick. It's the same thing of the other one, so just start it on a little bit enough for you got enough play space to play with them. That's what you need, and that's it. So I just was one of the small parts just follow. Okay, so I'm gonna keep working for the moment on 3D printers because the 3D printer is the one it's gonna help me out a little bit with the mining side, and I need them to be able to run sooner and faster because I gotta start building a whole bunch of stuff, and a lot of the stuff's gotta be done with the mining side, and I need them to do that quick and fast I can. It's not gonna be nothing for sale or stuff like that for you guys, so it's something I needed for what I'm gonna be doing it. One of the things, like I spoke on one of my last video, was about silver cases, and planning to 3D print the mines. So I need like at least 3 or 4 3D printers to do that. So like this one right there is one of the and the 3S1 Pros I got. The one I say I got it for cheap price. That's the ones over there. They was not in no working condition, but it was something simple. They were returning it because they didn't understand how the front would work, and that's probably was one of the main problems they got with these printers. They very picky when it's come to that stuff. So you have to be careful. Those printers, they are super picky when it's going to the whatever they do. So okay. So my next step is to get this one. I think to enter them over there will be easy. Yeah, that was easy. Okay, so they're ready in over there. And just need them to press down over here. Okay. Alright, so we got that one tight over there. When I'm tightening out the bell. It's right there, so it's easy now. My bell's that tight, so that means I don't want to have no more hiccup. So I'll be having some hiccup on the printer. So that was the reason I did what I did. I guess it's cracked over here, the glass, so it's fine. It's not gonna be a big deal, especially for what I'm doing it. So this is only printing personal stuff. Alright, so you can see it. It was a super easy printout stuff, repair. Okay. Alright. Alright, so next thing is to test it out. That's the next stuff we're doing. So we're turning this thing. I'm gonna turn all these things on. Include the Raspberry Pi. And there is, we got the thing on running. I'm gonna wait until everything's getting loading. I'm just gonna do it at home. Alright. Let's start seeing it. So let's check. I gotta check this. Okay, so alright, so we got our dash running, so it's back online, sleep, and it's up and running. Alright guys, thank you for watching. You can see it, simple to replace this, very easy, very useful because you guys can put it. Also you guys can go to Tinkerbird and you guys can 3D print the thing out and be able to use it for anything you guys need it. They also 3D print thing out, but like I said before, I want all metals on mine, so that's why I want to buy them. Altogether it's about $14 on US because I'm based in US, so that's the amount they cost. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you into my next episode. Peace out.